Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Union County, Illinois, northwestern Johnson County, Illinois, southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goreville, or 10 miles south of Carterville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidewalks, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Goreville, Pittsburgh, Creel Springs, Lake of Egypt area, and Stone Fort. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 37 and 53. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson, Union, and Williamson. The